The weekly code quiz. We also learned about font style in the setting of @font face, but it is also a property used to adjust the chosen font family. What is font style? Font style indicates if a font is styled as normal, italic, or oblique face. What is the difference between italic and oblique? Italic fonts are cursive and use less horizontal space. Oblique fonts are just sloped versions of the regular font. What values do font style accept? Font style accepts the values of normal, italic, oblique, or oblique with an angle specified, such as oblique 23 degrees. The value of the angle can be between -90 degrees and 90 degrees. What is the default angle? If no angle is specified, the default is 14 degrees. Why should we avoid italicizing large sections of text? For accessibility reasons, avoid italicizing large sections of text because these will be difficult to read for those with dyslexia. How do we use font style? Here are examples of using font style from our code sample file. .lead-in, font style italic. Block quote, font size 20 pixels, font style italic, line height 1.5. Here are some adjustments using the block quote element and a span element with the lead-in class. We are using placeholder lorem ipsum text. We have also shortened the text for display purposes here. To produce the left hand and right hand double quotes, you will note the use of special characters ampersand LDQUO semicolon and ampersand RDQUO semicolon. We will address the use of special characters in another episode. And this is how this would display. Presented by Designers Learn Code.